In this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite channels on YouTube TV so you can quickly access your most watched networks and streamline your viewing experience. Let's get started. Favoriting channels is a simple way to organize your preferences and make navigation faster. To add a channel to your favorites, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Navigate to the Live tab, where you'll see a scrollable list of all available channels currently airing live content. Find the channel you want to favorite and click on it to start watching. While the channel is playing, look for the star icon or Add to Favorites option. This is usually located near the playback controls or in the channel's details section. Click the star and the channel will be added to your favorites list. Once you've favorited a channel, it will appear at the top of your Live tab under a dedicated Favorites section. This makes it easy to jump straight to your go-to networks without scrolling through the entire channel lineup. You can favorite as many channels as you like, and they'll always be organized in this convenient section. If you ever want to remove a channel from your favorites, simply go back to the channel in the Live tab. Click the star icon again, and it will be removed from the favorites list. You can also manage your favorites by reviewing the channels in the Favorites section and removing any you no longer watch frequently. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on customizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope favoriting channels on YouTube TV makes your streaming quicker and easier. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.